Hi, this is Kathy from Quilts Plus, and we got this pattern in, and whenever I think of gifts, typically I think of Christmas. Well, I'm way beyond that. I'm thinking any day is a good day for a gift. So I was thinking about girlfriends, and we have some fabric in our store that has lipstick, it has shoes, it has purses, cute things. So what I've done is I've taken this pattern and I took a strip across and made it one more, and then I went ahead and made a nice little table runner. Look at this over here. Julie's going to show it to you. So it's nice and long. These are the gifts. This one has gifts on it, purses, shoes, all kinds of great little things, and then we put the bow on it. These are just some other smaller gift items. This one has lipstick. It has hand cream. It has all kinds of great makeup. Down here, we have shoes. I love this one. Look at those shoes. Who wouldn't want that? Then I'm going to just pull this. Julie, can you just get down with this? We've got a couple more, the longer ones with a tag. So we have 3 big ones. 1, 2, 3, and then we have 2 that have a set of 3 gifts on them. And what we've done is we've kitted it. I barely got them done, and the next thing I know, the words were, we've got to kit that, we've got to kit it. So it is fat quarter friendly, so we pulled fat quarters. I'm going to have Julie just zero in right here for a minute. This probably won't take the entire fat quarter for that one little 1-inch strip. But because there's so many things on the pattern itself, so many opportunities, you can use that wherever you'd like to. Now what we've done is we have this pattern, so you'd have to pay the $10. And in the back, Julie has gone ahead and taken a picture of our rendition of it. Then we have a kit with everything in it for $54. You will have fabric left over, so you could make a couple of these easily, or you could maybe make a whole quilt. And that's probably what you'd be able to do. The only thing you would have to add to it is the background fabric, because we just put in what you needed. And I think it calls for a 1.5 yards of that. But the fabrics are absolutely beautiful. So again, the pattern is $10. The kit is $54. And we just love it. We just love it. We think it's awful cute. And give us a call at the store at 269-383-1790. Thanks so much.